Hi, this is Kathy Brown from runningnotes.net. In today's episode of What Does This Do?, I'm going to demonstrate the Accordion Control from the XPages Extension Library. So first let me show you what is an accordion. It can be used for navigation or on a page. Most commonly it is used for navigation. Here we see an X page with an accordion only on the page, so it looks a little bit odd, but you can see here it starts out with 3 sections. The first section by default is open. I've called this one X Pages, and there are links here to 2 of my X Pages within this application. If I click it, it opens up the page. I go back and here is our accordion. I can click views and now you see the first section was minimized, the second section was open. Like an accordion, it sort of expands and contracts. Here we have an automatic list of 2 views, and then here we have a third container that I've just put stuff in. So that's what the accordion control looks like, and how do you use it? Well, the first thing we'll do is create a new custom control. We'll spell accordion correctly. Not that it matters, but go down to the extension library and drag an accordion control onto the page. You see here an example of what it will look like when we're done. And there's not a whole lot here on the accordion tab. You can set the rendered control. Again, you could do some styling, but we're using One UI here, so it's all pretty much set for us. So the important part we want is down here in all properties. Here we have tree nodes, and you notice when I click, I now have a add and remove button. So I'm going to click add. I'm going to create a container node first. This will give me the first line we have here with the XPages title. These are each a container. So I've created my first container node, and I'm going to give it a label. And that's it. Now the next thing I can do here within my container node, you can see I have children, and if I click on that, there's now an add and remove, and I'm going to add. You see here a list of choices similar to the application layout control. If we were using the place bar or any of those options, there's a lot of similar nodes here that we can add. In my first example, I added a page tree node. Again, there's stuff you can do here. We can add more children to the page tree node, but I'm simply going to select the page that I want to open. I want it to open the home page. Now we can add more children to this, as I did in the example that I showed you. We click up here again, we click another plus, we'll click another page tree node, and we will select a different page. And that's it. If we want to see how this is looking so far, we can create a new X page. And of course we can drag our custom control with the accordion onto it. And save that and preview it. And you'll see we have our new XPages container with our 2 page tree nodes underneath. And that's pretty much it. You can simply continue on your custom control, adding in to your tree. We can add another container, and the label will call this another container. And from there you can go ahead and keep adding children. That one item I had was a view list. So I automatically add that, and it automatically puts all of the views that are available in this application. I didn't have to add them individually. They were added automatically. Then we can add our final container. Give it a name. And then add some children. And you see here there's all different sorts of things you could put in. We'll put in a login node. What the heck? Just so we can see that it's different. And then we'll come back in here and refresh. And you see now we have our original defaulted open accordion section, and we have another container, again automatically put in all the views, and then we have more stuff which has a login node. And that's it. That's the accordion control from the extension library in XPages. Thanks for watching.